All right, what do you think?
That's my favorite dog.
Yeah?
My favorite dog. Like, literally. I never saw one in real life. That's why I had to ask you.
You knew.
I knew. I had to ask you.
What is going on? We are out here in Daleville today, doing a little shopping. Looking for a truck, a little rifle for the truck, but let Turbo out here. So I thought this was pretty cool. Turbo needs to take the leak. So anyways, beautiful day, about 84. Just doing a little security shopping, looking for a new 90210 for the truck. And we stopped off at this place. Nice selection. But what I'm looking for is not in stock. And they're not sure when they will be able to get it. But anyways, thought I'd sit. Thought I'd give Turbo a little break here. Sit. All right, go potty. I'll take a little potty break. He's looking pretty good, right? Happy? Going for a ride today? Good boy. Go potty. Go potty. But anyways, pretty cool. Hey. Come on. It's flying low. Comes another one. I don't know where these things are coming out, but this is like the fourth one since we've been here. I hear more. Comes another one. It's another one right over this tree line. Here he comes. I'm assuming these are military. Has to be. I mean, this is the fifth helicopter that's flown over. Come on. Up you go. There's another one coming up right over there. There he goes. And I hear more ready to take off, so it must be military choppers. I can hear more on the other side of these trees getting ready to take off. That's actually Fort Rucker behind us here. And they're known, I think, for aviation base. So those definitely military helicopters. So doing some training today, pretty cool. Gotta get the air off of Turbo, he's warm. Anyways, we're heading back. Nice store. Kaufman Outdoors is where we're at. We got everything. Very cool. So, seem like good people. And I'm sure we will be back. Here comes another one right now. Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Got the door open. That. All right, so we are out of here. Get us some lunch. Hit the road. Taking off. Right now. So we got a storm coming in right now. Starting to rain. Had some pretty good thunder, and it was sunny all day. This is I love this. I love when we have like a nice sunny day, and then we just get like a nice thunderstorm. I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't think it'll last too long. Maybe in an hour or two, the weather will. Whoa! Oh yeah. Yeah, that is cool. What do you think, Turbo? Yeah, so we're just sitting out here on the porch. Got back a couple hours ago, and it's just been a really nice day. And yeah, we haven't really had much rain for the last 10 days. Coming down. Yeah, it's starting to come down a little bit now. But yeah, it's been about 10 days since we had any decent rain, maybe 2 weeks. We did have a light little drizzle for about a minute the other day, but that's about it. This one's a little bit more real, so we might get some rain. We might get an inch. We shall see. But yeah, it's one of the beautiful things about living out here in this part of the country is we do get these thunder and lightning storms, and I've always loved it. So nice. Guineas are going nuts. Try to put them back in their house, in their coop, but they were going to have nothing to do with that. Hey, get out of there. What are you doing? All right, come on. Guys, both. I mean, it's like owning a small horse. He's been out with me all day today. Again, a lot of people think that's a Cane Corso. It is a Presa Canario. For those of you who don't know what he is or want to know what he is or think you know what he is a Presa Canario. They are from the Spanish Canary Islands. 9 months. Yeah, just sitting out here on the rocking chair. Now, if I let her out, all she'll do is want to play with him, and they just go nuts. So I just not in the mood for that, but they just go bonkers, and so I have to keep them separated. He's really good to her, but she just will not leave him alone, and they just get very rambunctious. So I don't want to deal with that right now. Just want to kind of chill out. So that's what's going on right now. So the palm trees will get a little water here. The garden will get some water. Everything's about to get some water here. So I guess I don't have to do that this evening. And we'll see how long this lasts. It's actually not really coming down. It's kind of let up. It's just a kind of a very, very light drizzle now. But yeah, that's the difference between California weather, where in the desert especially, we would see maybe, a few days of rain throughout the year and get a couple inches. Here, we get it at least every couple of weeks, and we get a pretty decent amount, and we get the thunder and the lightning, which is pretty cool. These birds are just unbelievable, aren't they? They just will not stop. And I've got, I'm going to show you guys something. These guineas are going to be going out next week. The other 6, they've been doing really, really well. This is kind of like our incubating room that we'll use for puppies down the road. But it's at the end of the house. It's really nice. And so I keep the tortoises back here. I'll put a light on for them. So it's not going to get too cold tonight, but the guineas we always leave a light on. But look how big they're getting. They're ready to go. They're going to be going out in their own coop next week. and they've really grown. Even the little runt got really put on some size, so they're looking great. Every one of them survived, which is really good. So I'm happy about that. Tortoise is just going to chill out now. They had a nice day, sitting in the sun, eating a lot of grass. Oh, it's coming down again a little bit. So he's got a good life. He's got a good life. He's a little bonkers though. He's a big goofball. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll put some more clips on this video. More to come. Been a good day. Been a good day. So things are gonna really be getting green here. All right, what do you think?
That's my favorite dog.
Yeah?
My favorite dog. Like literally, I never saw one in real life. This is. That's why I had to ask you.
You knew. You knew.
I had to ask you. Oh my God. You live down here?
Yeah.
You breed them?
I'm going to.
Well,
Yeah. I got a female coming this summer, but I won't breed for a while. It'll be like probably 2 years from now.
I don't care. I won't.
You hear that? Yeah. He's gonna be he's only 9 months. He's gonna be a monster.
Puppy, and he looked like he a full grown.
So this is your first pressa?
Yes, my first time ever seeing
that
one.
You knew like
I knew what kind of dog
You're
it
one
was.
of the few people.
Bro, this is crazy. I can record it?
Yeah, for sure. Check them out.
Like, what? This is crazy. My bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he gets a little temperamental.
It's like,
It's all right. He's all right.
that's crazy. I knew exactly when I said, no, that's not no Corso.
No,
that's
what everybody thinks. He's a Cane Corso, right?
Yes, that's exactly what I think it is. But yeah, I have a lot of love.